In today's video, we will see how we can create an effective introduction slide in PPT or PowerPoint presentation. The introduction slide is one of the most important slides of your whole presentation which sets tone for rest of your presentation. A well-designed introduction slide can turn the heads around. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching OfficeMonk. Let's start the video without any delays. This is my introduction slide in PPT. If I start my presentation with this, it's just a normal thing what people always do. So instead of doing this, I'll start my presentation in a little different way. This is my intro slide or introduction slide. And you can see the curtain effect over here, which looks totally different. With this curtain effect intro slide, people in the meeting room will be impressed for sure. We will see how to create our intro slide with curtain effect. We will open a new PowerPoint presentation or PPT and will remove our text boxes. We will go in Insert and will insert a picture. Picture from file. This is the picture which I want in my intro slide. I'll resize this. Now I'll be going in transitions and from here I'll select curtain effect. Curtains. Now I'll play this in slideshow. And we can see a black curtain over here. But we want our curtain to be colorful and on top of it we want our logo. So I'll exit slideshow. We'll click on my first slide, we'll go in Insert, New Slide and I'll select a blank slide over here. I'll take this on top. Now I'll play this in slideshow and we'll look how it appears. I'll come to second slide and the color of curtain became white. But we have to make our curtain more fancy and colorful. I'll exit this, we'll click on my first slide and we'll insert a picture of curtain. We'll go to Pictures. Now here you have got three options. Picture from file, stock images and online pictures. If you haven't got a picture of curtain, you can go to stock images or online pictures. But in my case, I have got a picture of curtain. So I'll click on picture from file and we'll select a picture. We'll resize this. Now we will go in Insert and we'll insert our logo. This is my logo which I'm going to insert. I'll resize it and we'll reposition. In case you want your logo to be transparent, you'll have to go in Picture Format, Transparency, and you can select various options from here. So my logo got transparent. I'll click outside the slide. We'll come in Slideshow and we'll play my slide and we'll see how it appears. So this is a very easy way to create your intro slide which can turn the heads around. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.